Join us as we spend 5 nights in sunny Lanzarote. We'll check out some of the local restaurants, we'll check out some of the most popular tourist attractions on the island, we'll do plenty of coastal walks, plenty of swimming, and it's just going to be a great vibe video. Looking forward to this one. Pre-summer vibes, baby, let's go. What's going on, everyone? So before we head out for the day, thought I'd give you a little tour of the gaff. This is our second day. We had a great day yesterday, bit of a chill day, went for a nice swim in the sea, had a lovely lunch, and today we are heading down to the south. Playa Blanca we're going to. We're staying up towards the north. So yeah, we're going to be going to the opposite side of the island today. So let's give you a quick tour of the gaff. So this is the upstairs part, so you can sort of chill out in here under the roof if it's raining. I don't think it'll be raining this week, hopefully not anyway. But yeah, you've got like a nice little barbecue area here, which is really nice. And you've got the mountains in the background up there, and there's a sea view of that side down there as well. Obviously there's a better sea view on this side. So you've got the sun loungers there. The sun's not out yet, it's still early in the morning. I've just been for a run, but the sun will be coming out in the next hour. So this is the view from the gaff, which is pretty nice. This is a little fishing village. There's no sandy beaches by here, but there's like, as you can see here, there's like rock pools all over this area, and then down the island more, that's where all the sandy beaches are. But it's nice having that mixture. So now we'll head downstairs and I'll give you a quick tour of the gaff. Oh, that's not the way down, that's a bathroom. There we go, there's the stairs. So as soon as you come through the door, you've got the bedroom and the bathroom. Don't really need to show you much there. I really like the layout of the living space. It's proper beach vibe. Look at the sofas, and obviously you got all the different shelves there, which I find really cool. They have got a TV here. I'm probably not going to use it much. Don't tend to watch a lot of TV when I go away. Loads of kitchen space, everything you need. Again, they got the shelves on the table, which I find really cool, keeping it with the beach vibe. As I said, everything you need in the kitchen for the week, although we'll probably eat out most of the time. And then you've got 2 chairs here overlooking the view for the nice morning coffee every morning. Happy days. Lovely gaff. Happy with this. After our ice cold Monster Energy looking out at the view and a nice cold shower, it was time to head out. We decided to stop halfway to take in the view, get a caffeine in, and of course have a cheeky donut. Gotta be done. 20 minutes later then, we arrived in Playa Blanca, and from the get-go, the views were absolutely stunning. After a 7-kilometre breathtaking coastal walk, we decided to check out the gift shops before heading down to the beach and just take a look at the colour of this water. Absolutely stunning. Crystal clear water. Families loving life. Jet skis in the background. Proper summer vibes. We decided then to have a nice cold drink and a very nice meal, I must say. Caramelised onion burgers and chips with a nice sea view.
Dan's got to take a photo with it.
Take a photo of you. Back at the gaff. Had a really good day. Playa Blanca is definitely like a more touristy holiday spot than up the north. Absolutely loved it down there. I like a bit of both. I find up the north is a bit more peaceful. And down the south is more like holiday families and stuff. So it's nice to have like that mixture of both. Anyway, we're back now. We're going to have a quick drink, a little bite to eat, and then we're going to head out to one of the rock pools because it's a beautiful evening. So we're probably going to go for a dip. So yeah. Let's go. We've been in the sun all day as well, so definitely ready to get in that water now. Picked up this little bad boy as well, a big bottle of gin. It was only $11.99, super cheap. Loads of them in there.
Yeah.
So that's our accommodation up there, and we're just in a little rock pool by here about to have a swim. Right then, time to join Chloe in the water. Let's go. Oh. Woo! Oh, it's absolutely beautiful after being in the sun all day. Just had an amazing swim. Chloe's still in there, she's loving it. She's got the waterproof foam case now. That waterproof phone case has come in proper handy for things like this. But honestly, this whole day has been absolutely amazing. I've really enjoyed this day. I've really needed it as well. I think nature does really powerful things to your mind. Like, you know, when you have a day like this and you end it with a nice swim, and obviously we're going to go back and have a bit of a drink and some nice food. It's just like a mental reset. And I think every now and again we all need it. Life can be so busy and hectic, and you can carry a lot of pressure and stress. And I think having a day like this just resets you, you know. It's just like a complete mental reset, and it's so good for you. And I've really enjoyed every single moment of today. I really needed it. Stunning location. Absolutely love Lanzarote. Beautiful island. Yeah? They're good? Yeah? They look nice. Just picked up some goods. There's a mini market literally just around the corner from our accommodation. The mini market's behind me and our accommodation is just down there. So just picked up some snacks for the evening. So we're gonna have a nice chill evening now. We've had an amazing day. We've had an evening dip in the sea. And now have a couple of drinks, some nice food and some snacks to end the day. It's been an amazing day. Very, very thankful. Hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you are, please leave it a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Got plenty of travel planned. Buzzing, love it. But anyway guys, I'm gonna have a chill for the evening now. And I'll catch you tomorrow. We're gonna be going somewhere different tomorrow. And got a couple of things planned for the week as well. So yeah. Catch you tomorrow. Very nice.
Over there, like, you drive more. So.
You're blocking my view, Chloe.
I am the view.
Good morning. This looks quite nice down here, Chloe, doesn't it? Looks perfect for cycling and running down by here as well.
Yeah, it's nice.
Nice beach bar by there. Beachfront cafes. Really nice little location. Sort of massive crab in there. Yeah? You're right. I didn't get that on camera, unfortunately. Was that a nasty fall?
No, it's fine. I'm just so.
Let's see. Turn around. Oh, nice. Crabs are way bigger here than what you find on the UK seasides. That's cool, I love that. Standard. Just what I need. Look at that. Oh. Definitely recommend this place. It's called Tekka's and it's an English style cafe. Really, really good food and really cheap prices as well. Just had a jump off there, that was class.
All the crabs. They're everywhere. Look at them.
Yeah. Burger and chips, egg in there as well, €4. Super cheap. Happy with that. Beautiful scenery as well. Love it. This restaurant has been looking at me all week. It looks really nice. I think we're gonna head there for dinner tomorrow night, which will be really nice. Just heading back now, and I think we're gonna go in the rock pools again tonight, but we got the snorkeling equipment tonight, so that'll be fun. Had a good day, Chloe?
Lovely day.
It's been amazing, hasn't it?
Oh, gorgeous, yeah.
Good morning. It is Saturday morning and I'm very excited. I've been very excited about this day. I'll tell you why in a second. But the Lanzarote weather is very different. Like I find in the mornings, even up to like midday, it's pretty cloudy. It's warm but it's cloudy. But then the best weather I find is like between 3 and 6 p.m. where the sun's just out and the rays are the strongest. But yeah, the mornings are pretty cloudy. Anyway, just had to nip back to the accommodation. Forgot my Apple Watch. Anyway, so yeah, Saturday morning. Now, me and my dad have a tradition on Saturday morning. We always do a park run every single week. My wife's actually started doing them with us every week as well. So, obviously, there's no park runs in Spain. Obviously, there's no park runs in Lanzarote. So, I can't do one this weekend. However, my dad's still doing one. And we're about to FaceTime at the exact same time as he's starting his park run. And I'm just going to do a 5k, call it sad all you want, I don't give a shit. But I'm going to do as if it was a park run, but obviously just on my own here at the exact same time as my dad. So he's going to FaceTime me at the start, and as soon as they say start on his park run, that's when I'm going to start. Fucking hell. Yeah, call it sad all you want, I don't care. But we're getting it done, baby. And then we're going to head out for the day. We're probably going to walk about 10k today as well. Honestly, I've done over 50 kilometers this week, walking and running. Been a very active week, and I always find that when you go away you're always active, you know. After a very quick warm-up, it was time to go. As you can see here, me showing my route and then my dad showing his on the park run. Oh man, whew. Fucking hell, wow, with the heat, the humidity and the wind blowing against me all the way back, that was fucking hard. Oh man, 23:30 was my time. Oh man, that was brutal. Heart rate was up towards 185 the whole time, maximum heart rate. Oh man, whew, completely different running over here to the UK. Wow, job done though. Starting to get my breath back a bit now. Oh man, time to go to the shop and get a nice cold Monster Energy, I think.
Okay,
Gracias.
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 But 99% of the mountains here are volcanic.
Yeah, you can see how volcanic it is, can't you? Pretty cool, isn't it? Down here as well, the water. So them little white dots are the crabs. They're so small, aren't they?
They're tiny. I know what I'm having already.
They're calling my name, they are. It's a stunning colour, isn't it? Look at that. God, there's a really cool view up there. This is an absolutely stunning location. Anyone coming to Lanzarote, I definitely recommend this. Sea view as well. Beautiful. So before I came to Lanzarote, I was obviously doing a bit of research online, things to do, and this is one of the main things that came up. I think this is one of the most popular things to do. I don't think it says anyway what that is, but it looks like an old shipwreck or something. It's pretty cool as well. Just heading back now. Go for a nice dip in the sea. Lovely. After a walk and a swim in the sun, we had built up a pretty big appetite, so it was time to hit the local restaurant. Heading out for an evening meal now with my stunning wife. Look at it. The price of the burgers, €2.30. That is super cheap, isn't it, Carl? That's crazy. You'd be spending so much more in the UK. That's nuts. Pizza, hell yeah. What's the one you got?
Got bacon, onion, and cheese.
Lovely stuff. Nice barbecue for me. Oh yes. lovely evening meal. Have a little walk around the rocks now before we head up to bed and have a nice chill evening. Lanzarote has been a beautiful, beautiful place to visit. We'll definitely be back very soon. I actually plan on coming back in August, which is only like 10 weeks away. Oh, look at the views out there, it's absolutely beautiful. Look at the scenery. Wow, it's stunning, isn't it? Absolutely beautiful view.
Oh, my hair, I don't know whether you're fine.
It's a big drop.
Oh my gosh, I missed.
There is another platform here.
Oh, this little shop.
You can go up and get a higher view. Alright, love, I'll just be up here. Got an even better view from up here. See the ferries going across? That's another place I definitely recommend coming if you're visiting Lanzarote. It's always nice as well when you make a sale whilst you're out doing normal everyday activities. And this is the powerful thing about a side hustle that I recently started, selling digital products online. If you want some more information about it, I'm going to put a link in the description. You can go and check it out. All you're doing is setting your online store up, putting products onto your online store, digital products like ebooks, courses and guides, and then just promoting them on social media for completely free and making sales. But as I said, I'll put a link in the bio for that. That's not what this YouTube video is about. So if you are interested in making some money online from a simple online side hustle that is paying me whilst I do things like this, then as I said, I'll put the information in the description. One last chill on the beach. Gonna have some food later on and then we're gonna head home tonight. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. As I said, we will be coming back to Lanzarote within the next couple of months. So stay tuned for that because we're going to do different experiences that we haven't done this time around. But yeah, we've absolutely loved it here. Definitely recommend. The people are so friendly. Beautiful beaches, beautiful waters. The food is amazing. Definitely recommend coming here. And yeah, it's got something for everyone, you know, whether you're a family, whether you're coming here on your own solo traveling or with your wife, your husband. It's good for everyone. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button if you enjoyed, and I shall see you in the next video. Catch you later. Just got home. One more thing before I end the video. Just want to say a massive thanks to our friend Celia, who lives out in Lanzarote now, retired out there. Very, very happy for her. She showed us around the island this week, which has been very, very helpful. So massive thanks to her. If you want to go follow her on Instagram for more Lanzarote content, then I'll put her Instagram name here. But yeah, massive thanks to her. And a massive thanks for everyone for watching the video. Catch you in the next one. Peace.